I just sent my buddy into the store to go get some toonies and loonies for the car wash. And now I just gotta wait for him. There he is. Look at that. Look at that beautiful kid. Wow. So beautiful. So elegant.
It's white again. It's white again.
So this is how it turned out. I went to the car wash because the car actually used to be white, and I noticed when I went to the car wash last time, I got a little too close to the inner wheel well and the original color came back. And I think the problem with when he painted it with spray paint, he didn't sand any of this down, and he didn't primer, did no coats. This is the original paint, there's still the original clear coat on this. He did no primer, nothing. So I guess the mix of the warm water and Canadian weather actually allowed this to come off. But turned out pretty good on this side. As you can see, I got a bit of the hood too, which kind of sucks because I kind of want it to match until the end of winter. But it's alright because this is all coming off anyways for when I do the wrap. So I can actually wrap on this and it's nice. All I need to do is do some sanding down here. Not sure what happened here. This is actually stuck on there. You actually painted over these two, but I got those good. Some rust down here. I missed a few spots here. The side skirt's junk, so I don't care about that. Awesome. What do you think? What do you think about it? Looks pretty cool, right? Neat.